What happens when one of DJI's most trusted insiders suddenly goes silent and then reappears with a launch window? That's exactly the situation unfolding around the DJI Avata 360. After months of total silence, no credible leaks, no insider whispers, no supply chain hints, Jasper Ellens resurfaced and dropped a major update. March launch, China first. That single detail changes everything. When a normally active source goes quiet, it usually signals behind-the-scenes movement. And when that silence breaks with timing information, it often means the product is no longer stuck in prototype limbo. It's preparing for the spotlight. So in this video, we're diving into the latest sightings, leaked packaging, camera rumors, battery upgrades, and what all of it reveals about just how close the Avata 360 really is to becoming official. The quiet phase is over. Now the momentum is building. One of the strongest signals didn't come from a dramatic teaser or cinematic promo leak. Instead, it surfaced through something far more subtle. A blurry internal instructional clip demonstrating how to install and activate the newly redesigned battery. The footage quality. Terrible. But that's not the point. Internal activation tutorials only exist when hardware is already circulating among testers. These guides are typically produced when review units are being distributed. That strongly suggests YouTubers and early evaluators may already have hands-on access to the Avata 360. That's not speculation. That's a launch indicator. Then came another intriguing development. Italian outlet Quadroco News revealed what appears to be official retail packaging. And visually, this is where things get interesting. The Avata 360 is shown inside the DJI Goggles 3 interface, placed alongside the Avata 2. Side by side, the new model appears slightly larger. That size increase actually makes sense. A drone combining full 360-degree capture with FPV flight requires additional internal hardware. Dual sensors, expanded processing, improved cooling, and higher power demands. Earlier rumors suggesting it would stay under the 250-gram category now seem increasingly unlikely. DJI appears to be prioritizing capability over ultralight classification this time. Battery leaks reinforce that direction. The redesigned pack looks flatter and more compact compared to the Avata 2 battery, hinting at internal efficiency upgrades rather than a simple size expansion. A new multi-battery charging hub capable of holding 3 intelligent flight batteries has also surfaced. Reports suggest improved energy density, enhanced thermal management, and faster charging speeds. Key upgrades when you consider the demands of real-time 360 processing. Flight time is rumored to land between 23 and 25 minutes, aligning closely with Avata 2 endurance despite the heavier imaging workload. Now here's where things become genuinely disruptive. Multiple leaks point toward 8K 360-degree video capture. If accurate, this would effectively merge dedicated 360 action camera functionality with immersive FPV flight. But the most compelling rumor revolves around a switchable camera system. The concept is powerful. Alternate between full spherical capture and a traditional forward-facing FPV perspective. Fly first, frame later. That philosophy could redefine creative drone workflows. Capture everything in 360, then recompose your shots in post-production. It shifts the emphasis from perfect framing during flight to creative freedom afterward. There are also whispers of new stabilization algorithms specifically optimized for reframed 360 footage. That would be critical. When users can dynamically adjust framing after the fact, stabilization becomes the backbone of cinematic quality rather than just an added feature. Transmission leaks continue pointing toward an O4 class video system, suggesting compatibility with DJI's latest FPV ecosystem and Goggles 3. Some chatter even hints at real-time reframing previews inside the live feed, although that remains unconfirmed. Controller bundles and charging kit configurations have already appeared in earlier reports, rounding out what looks like a nearly complete launch package. Step back and look at the pattern. Months of silence, followed by certification activity, packaging leaks, tester tutorials, and now a defined launch window. This doesn't feel like a distant concept anymore. It feels close. So what do you think? Is merging true 360 capture with FPV flight the next major leap in immersive drone technology? Or is this a bold but niche experiment? The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious FPV hybrids we've seen, and if these leaks hold true, it could introduce an entirely new creative workflow for drone pilots and content creators. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of every DJI leak, rumor, and launch update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next.